Hello and welcome to the Graphics Way channel. Today let's talk about SVG, advantages and recommendations. Before starting, please kindly follow the channel. Your support is important for us to continue publishing useful and important tutorials. So let's begin. SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG defines vector-based graphics in XML format. What you should already know. Before you continue, you should have some basic understanding of the following: HTML, basic XML. What is SVG? SVG stands for Scalable Vector Graphics. SVG is used to define vector-based graphics for the web. SVG defines the graphics in XML format. Every element and every attribute in SVG files can be animated. SVG is a W3C recommendation. SVG integrates with other W3C standards such as the DOM and XSL. SVG is a W3C recommendation. SVG 1.0 became a W3C recommendation on September 4, 2001. SVG 1.1 became a W3C recommendation on January 14, 2003. SVG 1.1, second edition, became a W3C recommendation on August 16, 2011. SVG advantages. Advantages of using SVG over other image formats, like JPEG and GIF, are: SVG images can be created and edited with any text editor. SVG images can be searched, indexed, scripted, and compressed. SVG images are scalable. SVG images can be printed with high quality at any resolution. SVG images are zoomable. SVG graphics do not lose any quality if they are zoomed or resized. SVG is an open standard. SVG files are pure XML. Important recommendations. Make sure to convert any fonts to vectors. As much as possible, do not use shadows for the logo, because it causes problems in appearance when the browser's rendering the SVG. Make sure to add width and height attribute. That's all we have today about SVG. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Your support is important for us to continue publishing useful and important tutorials. Have a nice day.